Hey everyone, I got this Feit ceiling light that I need to replace. It's been it's been like 8 years since I did a video about this light installation one. Now we're gonna replace it because it flickers a lot. No, it's not flickering, but it flickers sometimes. So this video I'm gonna show you how to remove it. See that? That's a flicker. I did not do anything in that one. It just did it. So up there, you see where the, let me turn this off. There's there's the arrow there, an arrow there. That's where the slots are to hang this the frame. So I'm gonna show you how to remove it, because I'm pretty sure some of you already, if you the one the people that bought this, probably you need to replace yours too. It's probably not working anymore. Who knows? But this one, I'm just gonna replace it because it's already flickering too much. Right, so I'm gonna show you how to remove it. So turn up the power. Now it's up. This is on. See if it flickers again. No, not flickering again. Anyway, turn that off. Make sure nobody else touched the thing. It's best if you go to your electrical panel and turn up the circuit breaker, okay? You should turn up the circuit breaker. I installed this light 8 years ago, and like as mentioned earlier, there's two arrows there, so depends on how you install it. There's two there's a bracket inside with two notch that's like this, that's holding this frame up. So what you need to do is push up and slide. So my guess would be, if you have, it depends on your orientation. See that the red one here? So I'm going to try going left first and see if that works. So what you need to do is push up and slide. So like I said, the two arrows there, push up, slide. Oh, there you go. Got it right the first time. See, there's the bracket, and here's the thing that's holding it up. So just gonna pull this out. And release this. That's it. Now I'm gonna connect the new wire. The new wiring for the new light. First, not yet actually. I have to remove this 4 screw here and remove this bracket because I don't need this anymore. But that's how you. But for if you just here to how to know how to remove this thing, then that's it. You can skip this part now because I'm just gonna do the installation of the new my new light fixture. Just gonna go here, and hopefully I'll cover all the 4 holes here that this thing needed, because this is a really bad design, by the way, because you needed this bracket here, too big. Alright, so if you just watch for the removal, then that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. But if you want to continue watching, it's up to you. Alright, let's continue. Hello, welcome back. I am back. Anyway, make sure you get one of these, the non-contact okay. Make sure you get one of these non-contact voltage tester. Make sure there's nothing running. If there's something running, it would go. It would light up. There's nothing running there. You need this here. So I just tested it in there and it beeped. So what we're gonna do now is remove the bracket because I don't really need it. Finally! Good. Hopefully the new one will cover those spots. Let's see. No, gotta fix those. See, got the bracket too big. I'll fix this later. So what I'm gonna do is put the bracket. There's a bracket here. So bracket's gonna go here, like so. Ground's gonna go here. I'm gonna remove this one. This is the ground. Sorry, it's too dark. I know, I'm doing it at night on my free time. This is ground. Ground goes here. Get yourself a long nose plier. Turn it. Go with the flow. Wherever it turns, go wherever it turns. So when it tightens, use the loop, go with the loop. Turn the loop towards where it turns. Okay? The righty. Come on. Amateur. Alright, I found some compounds. Put some compound on the holes. So I'm just going to loosen the crown again. And put it together with this one. Should be fine. Go anywhere. Ground is attached. Watch it fall. There's the LED, by the way, and white to white. This. Good. Now black to black. Now what I like to do is tape it, so I'm going to tape it. Alright, before I tape it and put the whole thing up, I'm going to test it, make sure it works. Dim. Right. It does work. So I'm going to tape it now and I'm going to put the light fixture into the bracket there. Oh. For this particular one, you're going to remove the screw from the bracket, remove the cover, and line up. Other one. I'm going to loosen this up, that way I can put it. There you go. Loosen this up. Slide it. Oop. I make this too tight. Loosen that a little bit. I made it too loose. Amateurs. Ah, perfect. You don't have to make it too tight since it's not going to be moving it around. It's enough to make it flush to the wall. Let's put the cover back on. Twist. Now, try on the light. It works. Let me turn off my work light. So that's how bright it is. I got that light for like $10 at Lowe's for two pack for $10, $11, $10.95. Not bad. Pretty bright. All right, that's it. This video is actually for just the removal of this light, but since you're still here, that's how you install a new one too. It's for the removal of this thing here. You can see it. This light fixture. This picture. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped. I see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.